See, everybody at home as Ogechi is the bad person, right? So much okay, what I do is me. Whatever I do is me. I don't do anything to please anybody. You understand what I'm trying to say now? Like Ogechi is the bad person. Let us join hands and fight her. We must fight her. You know, some people are claiming authority, how they made me, how they made people start liking me. As you say, I get too much enemy now. They could make them day their day. I don't want any more. Actually, no, when more. You don't understand. Actually, no, when more. I don't need that. Please, help Zilam. That kind of a thing. You know, everybody wants to earn a credit. Many people don't love or wagi. Many people don't know who's as a good person. You know, those please, I'm not adding anybody here because that kind of a thing. So I wish for people to join my enemy. You want to go? David, if you comment again, I'll block you. I'm not gonna help you. I don't have any help to give you. And stop disturbing me. If you keep, I will block you everywhere. I don't have any help to render you. With all due respect, Biko. When anything for you, please. Stop calling me. Please. And I'm at that part twice. I'm a very wise person. I'm a very mad here, but if you take me as I'm stupid, I will block you. Don't start doing what? Stop Obina. Stop sending me. I'm not adding anybody. So because I chose anybody to help me again, it's better you join my enemies. That thing no in na go big foko. That thing in no gane if you think somebody have taken your position. That thing in ni feel when they made that thing me. That thing in no feel that you want to join my when they fuck off. I have not benefited shit from you. I'm being the one losing. You want to go? So I don't want you. I beg you, make una go na way. I bring a lot of things and I can go to me so. Nonetheless, you be thinking that I will be babysitting a grown ass woman crying on morning, afternoon, night. Please, that's a copy. You better go back and make peace with everybody you know that I'm enmity with. So can we rest? We rest. If you rush to my enemy and start telling them, thank God I like them not when I got that mother will know my in and out. I'm a very wise to a fault. You want to go? Please, you know. I want all of you to go. I offer any after that 300 and something thousand, it become a problem. Princess 100,000, it become a problem. What is going on? If somebody come close to me, it become a problem. Hey, why would this person take your glory? I beg you. My money, I choose to give it to whoever I pleases. Or because of all after that, 1 million, 500,000. It's my fucking bloody money, honey. I'll choose to give anybody. If Jpac want to become my best friend today, it is my decision. If you feel like it, somebody is taking your position, somebody wants to take it, I'm giving it up. When they move on, I beg you. I'm not going to put this blew up. And with him too much thing to handle. Because you only want to add the number. Praise him, kiss him. I don't care. As a reason, I'm not even watch anything again. I don't block every unblockable. No, now where they monitor me, no, they see me. I know they see you now. Now, Zaga Gist, I go look updates. You want to go? Now, Zaga Gist, they give me happiness. I like it. Like, even there is something Eziokwu now, if I'm not mistaken, how to create an app. I'm gonna monitor a goal on an NGO. I am interested. I am interested in that app. Akwa because the came out Ogechi. The came out or the cagation number me peace with our. God forbid. Or the cagation anything to do with our. I rather me. Because anybody all I'm on I had in amma ya bapo game my enemy friend, that one is greater than only one I had the before. I just have to let you know. That's how I the reason. It's better I start fighting on outside that the very plain and when him on edge come than I'm gonna get the nama gabapo. That join my enemy. There is no way on this earth they may be. That is my philosophy in life. Oga karamuma to reconcile with somebody. Let me be honest with you. Oga karamuma to reconcile with somebody. That we are just fighting. We have not been in good time before. When I got the Bema before. And somebody overnight, when I get the drama, you start for no reason. I never offended you. You start interfering in my personal life. You start talking about so I try to know how to, digesting all these things. I don't want it anymore. If you can join my enemy, there is no need. Now that means you have been an enemy inside for all this while. You want to go? So I don't want all these return, go back and return, go back. If for life, for all. If after all, excuse me, don't you know that there will be a lot of enemy because of me? Enemy me go pay you. So it's better you will save your life. Because I wouldn't like you to die because of me. So it's better I did this how I did now. It's better off. What I got so I'm not on a beacon. My management imagine like this game way free. You be free. I like it. One thing I understand in this life is that progress brings a lot of enemy. Success attracts a lot of enemies. And I begin to realize it to an extent. When I success, and it's better you make your circle very small. You make your circle very, very small. The better it is for you. Go and mark my works. No, we mind your business. What I go? So, on a dimma, kono will be very vigilant and very careful whatever you do in life. So, my dear, because if I choose my friends, I'm a grown ass woman. Friends do not choose me. I want to choose in them. I what I go? Friends do not choose me because I get save them. I get protect me. I'm appreciating kunu meneme. What I go? I'm appreciating kunu meneme. I chose him when you get protecting me anymore. I just want to be like this. Because I get what I go? So like I'm that being natural protection can't protect because I can't protect anybody. I protect each other when protect my mother. One thing I realize is that when a big general no one, you start to reason. Monday brigade go get refuse you become their enemy. But some people why would I borrow you money in the first place? Why would I borrow you from 10 million, 12 million, 6 million? Why would I even be in a position to borrow you money? Is it not the same obodo you be no come? Yeah, we're going to get borrow you tomorrow now. Anyone they give me the money I will forget to. You understand what I mean? It's not something. How can I borrow you 12 million, 6 million, 10 million, 20 million? For what? go didn't buy. Somebody I met on Facebook. I don't know you. And you want me to borrow you that amount? Nah, I don't understand though. People don't even know where all these pains, things are coming from different angles. It's not what you're looking at is the problem. It's not anything. I'm just saying generally, generally. I don't know where people will feel that, but though you book him a different one. I don't know. Thank God I have my husband around though. I could have still be dashing people with money. Because you all he money even the money him send there today, he monitors it. And on a cost money, probably baby, no. And the no till restriction, and when we can send the regular backfire, it will not go. But then we tell them another trick. Now, what yesterday? You see what I'm saying? I'm somebody that gives, but I don't know that people take it as I don't understand. You what I go? So I try to curtail it as much as I can. You know, I mean, why would I even? Sometimes I begin to get this amount of money now. It's a way like a war. I should area la mueri la. I got you now. Okay, cherry la mueri la. I'm gonna come game. I got my children get them a baby now. Shut up, how? You understand what I'm saying? So because yeah, it's gonna because we don't get create that software for me, and now I'm on it. Go Ogechi NGO. I'm interested though, because yeah, after you have very dark money we talk about very good. So when you like donate go, yeah, now I'm on it to go account and call again. We put that one me. I am party to it though, because I was watching. Share this is the good idea. At least see, 100 billion now one they raise Ogechi. You want to go? So I think it's a very powerful idea. I like it. I'm interested because you don't like me create the software. Because now I join I create it. Can I monitor this account? Also carry ala. Because maybe imagine they go on the account too much. I'm a party to it though. I like it, but it's a very, very good one. I like it, honestly speaking. So my dear people, I didn't come here for much things. I got busy with a lot of things. My husband did me so. Can you let the thing I get make sure this December because processing on here and fact oh shit. So it's been hectic and I'm ready to case go through down on this saga. I'm coming for Jpac again. I just come run the channel up when the thing is too much and you know, he couples with his brain. And the demon now, a few minutes, no, he keep them. He send the other this one. He may nanka. So, Kambokata brain, no. Let's see whether everything will end up this December. So, January will be a new beginning. Hey, what I go? So, my dear, many things is the problem. But I really don't give a fuck. I really don't give a fuck. I really don't care. I really do not fucking care. I cannot babysit a grown-ass man or woman. I believe that Ogechi is a bad character. Don't come close to me. I believe that you are the perfect person. You are a very good person. Good. Take your good to impart other people. I don't need it anymore. You have done enough. Whoever you are, because when they move on, however you, if you like, but then I am a lot on my desk. I'm not depressed. I'm not saying I'm not any source of anything. I am okay. But the way I am good. I decided to make my cycle this way. What I go? I decided to make my cycle this way. So you all I'll be responsible for it. What I go? So I want to be left like this. Become. And I'm actually mad. I want somebody not back on mad. I don't really look for much friends. What I go? Dime Zulam. Because when I got put outside it today, be a shame home. Yes, show me. Go the money pataya. Is it dim? So my dear, that is how it is. She even asked you to call police. Who asked me? I don't understand that. One nemo, mother of Akuburo. Akubiro. See, apartment I see they live. I never buy house. That's a house. I name anymore. Oh, hello. 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 An apartment I still they live. Oh. People will buy house come the Stevens. As well I'm all. I see the mall on. See, I see they manage this my apartment. I don't know what to be the problem. I just they manage my thing. So make a day my day. Oh, bikono. Me be the best person. Na me bully everybody. Na me pay everybody. Na me look for trouble. Na me I don't hear. Gawazina. Pack your property, they go. Ogechi, you are bad. Ogechi is a bad person. Ogechi don't people they will game you on your game. Ogechi be this. Ogechi this. Gawazina. Go. I don't call me and no go pick up. But that's why I know they pick up anymore. Can't you see that the handwriting is obvious that actually when somebody starts dimming your call, starts avoiding you, marking a matter is avoidable entirely. Was in block or that you're no longer needed. I know they pick. He connect and but I don't want no look at my map because I don't want to. It's done, it's over. I shouldn't go wala gene okunu na chiso wa okwanyu na chisala mo wa. I don't move on. Find a way and move on. You want to go find a way back. Odika this ex-convict na kona. Ex-convict cannot leave alone because man that friendship when he hold lose. If I don't have anything to do with you, I will just move on. If I'm not benefiting, you do not get anything from me, I move on. I will not go inside planning onega puta manye go yabago. I will not go thinking about you because I've left you. Am I not what I'm saying? I've left you. So can we just leave? You can see ex-convict is still in pain today because you know what? I could feed them. I could give them money. I could do everything for them. I could is no longer interested. Move on. Go your way. Friendship must work. It must not work. Oh. It must not work. Oh. It must not work. Oh. And when that's that today, they are angry at me because everybody now come on Kalesia. Ogechi, you are the rock of this Facebook. They are angry about it. They will just start overnight to start sagaring you for no reason. Just because again, people listen to you, people follow you, despite all their lies and bigotry, and people still love you, people still glorify you, people still honor you, people know that you got something they don't have, so they believe they will come out and say and start a shit. You reply them when no kind of mad. Mouth are meant to be running. Mouth are meant to be running. You want to go? You are just nobody. You are swambronala. You are dry. Another. So that I want you to understand that part. Why don't you leave Jpac or Hapalam? Jpac or Hapalam? Even one year, everything they do is Ogechi. What Jpac tell me? They cannot do without me. Oh. Somebody that know you pitanya. Am I looking at them? My main focus with their products. Any ambassador, that's not what I'm doing. It's not. I got your email live video. Comment Ogechi, what Ogechi, but why are you guys even stupid? Why are you guys even stupid? Jpac will learn how to mind his business in this blue app. He has to know how to leave other people alone. You want to go? Now he has learned to mind his business. Some people thought I need apology from Jpac. I fucking no. Oh, go be to mind man. Go be to learn how to mind your business. People say if you end my apology again. My apology again. Or just for him to know that he needs to learn how to mind his business. No say many people. So anybody but Jpac, you're my brother, I stand by you. I'm not saying dude now. I know they see you now. Do I notice you? Now you they notice me. Guys, click love and like. Click love. Frederick, I will also block you if you don't take your time. You know, I don't like you. From that yesterday, you utter that word. I don't just like. If you comment, stop commenting on my platform. For you to open mouth and say I'm nigga my daughter. I hate you. You a child molester. I hate you. I don't like him. Okay. You a creditor. You're not supposed to exist. That should go. Zeremo Shina platform before, and I'm telling you with honesty. From your lineage, I'm being honest with you. Alright, fuck off, Amanachi. I am F off. Fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. You are very useless and very hopeless. Fuck the fuck off from my platform. You're not needed here. Go to that useless place. Oh, no, the miserable. You are very useless. Very hopeless. And that is why God will never stop blessing me. Let that person come out to say, be done when I started. Well, here ceremony. Ndala. Come on, Zuzushinga. So, Suzu, get the fuck out of this place. So, like Escom, Akwala Pugogi is over with. See how you're eating yourself on a daily basis. Every day, quack. The guy know they notice you. Hey, you said Ako cannot come to Ndobala. But wait, Ako was there when you was present. You did not do anything. Ako was there. And when Ako Larala. Ako was there. Oh, give me a tagaba puta. What I go? And when you somebody don't so any to cigar you don't want it. If you tired of friendship, you move on. Why are you keep crying? Why are you keep crying? It's over with. Frederick, I have heard you, no problem. I saw your message, no problem. But please don't make such utterances next time. Please. Mr. Badra, I have heard you. No wahala. It's okay. I just read your message now. It's okay. They will badu. Yamana na more right than him one indigene. Ex-convict, let me tell you one thing. Hunako when more right than you one indigene in that ngobala. All the opuli come Jpac here, but I just wanted to imana that again on that, and you know that I come with more rights than you one indigene. If I doubt me, go and make Pam a bakono. You are just a tout who is on the street hustling and ranting for no reason. I don't think I'm Jibia, but I just wanted to delete some information from my sister. Actually, delete some files. I am deleting some files that I've already saved. What I go? Imana kokagi. Even na that ngobala, you are just ranting. People should know that you want a mental problem. Now let's listen to your video, because that is the main purpose of Jpac. But I just wanted to can delete my page. But I needed to filter my files. Even when files then on had well occupied, you wanted to filter them, and they filter alamuha. So now you have gotten my information clearly. Biko, thank you for everything you have done. Me the 2, me not the 3, me not the 4, me not the 5 are no longer comfortable around me. That is why Bible change is constant in human life. You want to go? If you're no longer comfortable in one particular place, you know, wound, that this person is accepting this person is giving this person more position than you. You want to go? It's time you pack your properties and go. There is no two ways about it. You want to go? But each one nature you be forced, you got frustrated to go and give for threat chagalabu. Because of me, I don't have no beef with nobody. Nobody when beef with nobody. So you can also group you become one with them. Because so that's the one thing I want to put out there before I proceed. Now let's go to ex-convict platform. What are the program here? Kebe my account in Jpac. Let me look for that account. Let me see. Okay, I'll be my video better. Let's listen to Ewa. Let's listen to Atoro.
I don't know how people fabricate things. I'm not telling you that Jpac is 100% right. And I'm not here to defend him because
you are an idiot.
And this message was twisted in another way. People came to my inbox. A lot of people thought I was talking about them.
Share this program, please.
Thank you. I also like having you here. Good morning. Help me share this video once you join, so that it will get to the chronings. Thank you for being here. Ofuji Debubu, you're welcome. Ofuji, I am in Abuja. I think you're based in Abuja. I'm here. As you can see, I'm alone. All right. I continue.
Share the program, please. Follow this.
Before I will go straight to the issues of Jpac. I did like to start my basis from somewhere. Let me go it round. Now let me tell you this in clear notes. For those of you saying Jpac said this, Jpac said that, I want to ask all of you questions. When Jpac was saying this, saying that, what did you say? What did you say?
Then let him say the ones I said. When he was saying it, what did you that took Jpac Affirming to ROC? It's over 4 days, oh. It's over 4 days. What stopped Jpac? Oh, we are face telling you what I said. Brain on hand, can't he remember the ones I said? Why are you asking me? Awalam gi kokuru, yagwazi gi nkemkuru. Because I'm not brain get very small. You have a little brain. You have a little minority brain to digest a very proper information. Mu agbagogi nkokuru. Gwaziemu nko gwara gi na mkuru. Oh, you talk I'm bagging nkemkuru. Bagging nkokuru. No, it doesn't work that way. He's your friend. He is your friend. Go and ask him with your bitter soul. No matter that deity that you took him to go and get Ogechi strike. 4 days agala. It's over 4 days and I'm still here. Ishaka homo, Yeme homo, Okwaro homo, Oyamatu homo, Ishaku romo. Abarunu on does it mean that Abara is crippled or Toshinapuga election? He did not allow you to win. I am not joking. You claim to be the Galadima that will bring justice, that will bring Udela out. You know, I always tell people that you're nobody, you are an empty idiot. I will see what I will do. Udela will get his freedom. What have you done? I will take the people in my lose election. I will take them to court. Please, when is the court date? I will not enter Ngabala. I will not enter Ngabala. As I'm talking to you now, I could not go bala. Don't you have boys that you are in Abuja? Mobilize your boys. Tell them that I could not go bala. Must you be a present to give command? I see with the boys, you will do this. Can't you do something once? Let people know that you are capable of doing anything. You was at present. I could visit that place couples of times. You couldn't do a goddamn thing. Why do you always come on social media to show muscle while there is no muscle? You are just a beggar. Jpac gave money to come and defend him. You are just an idiot. Who said Onyana Madonna alok? Onya Gabonwa Dibia or Gawana Dibia Onya Hefel? What did you and Jpac did? You see, everything you say, your word will always use against yourself as your word. Because from day one, I'm the way he passed it. From day one to date, just that people feel that Ogechi with their pen. People, saga people, feel that Ogechi is their pen, knowing that you a fool, but they will still pretend that they want to hear pastor. They know you are an empty idiot. Are you not the same idiot? I could that go and write to American embassy, say you will do it. Go and write. He said after burial, Jpac after burial, we will write a petition. Jpac, are you still asking for my information? Are you still trying how to deport me from America to Nigeria? Or you're waiting for me to come to Are you idiots? Two foolish men. Are you hopeless? Are you guys still waiting for me? Let me tell you. You see, real men, they don't talk when they don't have action to back it up. You see why you are sounding like a fool? It's because you can't talk. You cannot talk and back it up with action. When you go out there, she Jpac in a wedding. All these little contacts in you are just an empty idiot. My brother, when he passed it, tomorrow. Their friendship is gone. I am now one believe that Ogechi is not compatible with them anymore. We are no longer friends. Move on. That's one thing about me. I know they look for anybody. I don't look for anybody's face. And now you go they come they cry. The main focus on your friend in a challenge. You guys are leaving that part alone. Why can't you guys skip one thing to prove to me that okay, I'm lying? My doctor is there waiting. Why can't he tell you the ones I said? Jpac told me, those ones I said, I will keep repeating it every day, every time. I see maintain my words. Nothing changed from there. I believe that Yame Paul nobody Kemkuru. Is Jpac no longer your friend? Yame Paul nobody my the ones I said. Why is he not telling you the ones I said? Why are you being the one jumping like a scroll? Then I rubbish. Is it no longer the FBI? Of course, you not getting ready for me in this saga. And don't wait now some people that are supporting him now. Why can't he stand in the game? Why are you guys bringing all this up on all these prostitutes and we're no level less? Actually, challenge you, Putano. I cannot be fighting a war that is already a lost war. I'm going to come to fighting. I'm going to look for people that will fight. All these dead and alive idiots. Oh, Putano. Guys, please help me share this program because my other page. I'm not using my main page because let's listen.
You told me what Jpac said. Did you tell me what you said? What did you say?
If you guys are asking this question, that means there was a conversation. If you guys are asking what I said, that means that Ogechi was not lying. There was definitely a conversation. That means Ogechi, that is truth upon what Ogechi is saying. Because if you're asking what I said, maybe Obalagi him kuru. That means there was a conversation. That was an established conversation between me and Jpac. Because I'm a mokwa in the Kwagogina, yes, but I don't know why you're not man enough to come out and open your mouth and say the ones I said. How can you better let me tell you, now I'm gonna give a share. You be the one to call Ankemu and expect you to say the ones because that signify you as your friend or Trosuru. No, because I know he shared tears. This year, don't worry, any China that you will stand for him. Now, can't you put up that thing through your works? Now I know there was a conversation, there was an establishment. That thing, be a man and say it. That is it. The main focus when Jpac said he has taken up the challenge, what stopped him from doing the Nyash examination? Why are you guys bending on canap? That was the first thing that started this thing. And when witnesses, in fact, I have evidence. I'm not Jpac you can push to play voice here play. And when them in case of tomorrow, anyway other but I'm ready to back myself up. But I won't die to your part. Now to me, if you think I'm Jpac, I am not Jpac. You can't move me. And what did he get made of for me to prove any bastard anything? Anywhere up to Jpac, I will answer it with my honesty. I have witnesses, I have and with evidence. Because I was not the only person that were there the day Jpac opened that mouth. All of them are still alive. All of them are still alive. So I'm not panicking of anything. So in the parade, make on a pop out. I'm ready at any given me. Guys, please help me share this program because yeah, my normal page.
Now let me tell you one thing, and I want you to go home with this. You see all of them saying Jpac said this, Jpac said that.
And they were idiots. You are very hopeless. Because you know why? Now let me start counting. Because of Jpac said this, Jpac said that. Are you not a hopeless man? And the Aturu Ebetibia Utibia Nanambra State or Karodia, yes, Sorogi, that your own Oshishi could not even rig the election and make you pass. Your own Abara could not even strike in the many destiny make Chineke God. Abaragi could not maneuver. I could to tell you Ebehana Azuala when you were begging. You see how useless you are. You see how hopeless and useless you have become. You are the most hopeless thing on earth. Igraga gawanabara. Because how many days he left to call the days will make it expire? 4 days they came for Unko Ori. It should not 4 days that thing should not leave Ogechi. And others. We are still here, healthy. Ishana akwani, and then we have any medical problem, and then we have any existing condition like Jpac with diabetes and BP. Well, why am I saying money? I'm a here warrior, or the amamu, even come on log, I know they go. Is sure yourself will just once in a blooming weather change here. Weather change here. You want to go? So now you get a Jpac with a pre-existing condition. Now, Tony we have Jpac accepted cold-heartedly. Now, China, get it, that he can show. Why are you guys covering that area? Why can't he man up? Why can't you man up for him? Him, I will not guard the compassion. Now me are to go. They can't be share with no direction. I can if I'm there. Hurry up and go, or send your man. I just through. She from Lagos, yo, to come and oversee Ngobala projects. It's not you would decay. Now go there and face up. He's in Nigeria. I couldn't ever that bushmeat. I couldn't ever that bushmeat. Go there, wait for or get send their boys to go and wait for there. Arantizila. You're a man with no action. You do the run. Because that is how useless men behave. They start acting like fools. Come on Jpac engineer 84 now molest people. And one on your say okay, they are not working at the bend. You know they affect them. And they sit down.
Jpac said this, Jpac said that. If Jpac said this and that before you, you are a gossiper.
Of course, women are meant to be gossips. Women are meant to be gossipers. Why would a man be gossiping like a woman? Yes, I accept it with a cool-heartedly. And then that conversation and with a trace of truth, everything I said. Women are meant to gossip. Yes, I am a gossiper. I accepted it cold-heartedly. But I'm asking you, what did I say? Why would you be to collect million from his anus? Get to women. Now, but get him in the first place. Why would a man like Jpac, like a Jpac, every time you're on stage for 1 hour, why? If I'm not the queen, if I'm not the Okalesia, if I'm not that woman on a way about me, hey, okay, my sister, hey, Okalesia, Emmanuel, if he's not bowing down, respecting me as the Lord, yeah, I've been on a bomb, Kezi on a bomb, I shall not bomb, Queen Mother, Otan go shop on Queen Mother, Otan go shop on Queen, and you too, you was calling me your Queen Mother too, when I bomb my phone. Oh, Queen, Keki man, all of you bow down for me. So what is the big deal? Is it because of now the truth? Yes. Why should serve woman as a queen mother? Other people would put a right to be there. Okay, this have I want you chase. I want to get a bridge, you don't serve me. So other people will still serve all grace. And no, it's grace. It's grace. You can't beat it. You once call me, okay, Queen, you once see that. You see, all of you are bowing down for me. Believe it or not. They listen to your trash. And before, him and one, you need a gossiper. But on Kega gossip with people that matters. I can't gossip with Jpac. Jpac only an eshika the area. I can't. Nobody today I there for social media. When they teach their life history today, nobody they hear them. Nobody they hear them. Till today. Talk it their way. Men in a way, secrets that they will not even tell their wife, they tell me. People that matter, so all this, I wanna be una. Not
drastic gossiper.
Yes, that's what I am.
While he was saying all these things, what brought about those gossips? If actually they were true.
Oh, Enaju, what brought it out? Oh, really? In Ajum, can I join you? Afon a shimmy, only a shimmy, the Afon of fortune. Are you asking me? Are you asking me? Are you asking me? Oh, Monante, ni no list, we ho, woman, honapa. You should ask yourself. If I am a gossiper, my sister, if I am a gossiper, who is gossiping who to me? Is it not Jpac that brought the gossiping to me? And also, Joe Jpac and one of my boy, a question and give me calls on my phone in morning, and we bid him time, all my siblings here. Now then they tell me, say, okay, how far? Anybody around me got working the money with time. I don't get Ogechi with time. I think I didn't knock there Bombay. I probably get on I wait more time. If a grown-ass man like that is in his 40s, middle 40s, that can be picking up call to stage me, then with the earpiece now. Then I gossip. Is he a man? Oh, a man.
Jpac has said this one, Jpac has said that. No man is the best on earth.
Oh, no man is the best. So you keep shooting yourself on the leg. No man is the best. So why are you judging me? Am I the best? So why do you think Ogechi should be the best? I should get everything right. But you can take Jpac to me. This life get as a deal. You see how useless you are. You are a very hopeless man. I keep saying it. You are a very hopeless man. Like it or not, you will be hopeless. Oh, no man is perfect. But you expect me to be perfect. You expect me to be perfect if I per se. Oh God.
What did you say at that point when this guy was talking? What did you contribute?
Show me
Can I bring Jpac on this camera to say the one you said?
Please.
What did you say?
Please.
What brought about those words?
Please. By all the he gave me. Bring him. That means that means this conversation really took place. Sorry, really took place. That means have you guys seen it? Because I have more to say. The remaining. Do you think a woman couldn't get back his nishi? No. Many more. Poputaya can boria yamo. I can age him every day and call conference call and age him. Can boria the remaining that left for him. So him and I him could win. That was a truth in him. So is your poputawala na koputawabe. Hunana boabara abarunu ga kubunu. I can't shoot Gabon. It's just a matter of time.
There's one Igbo musician that said, now take note of this side. He said, Okonke makolanke ya wani sanya listen again. He says,
let me tell you their tricks. Now, they have cooked up lies. Plan how since because they know that Ejim Hana block us. Nobody what is about to happen. This is their plan. The reason why he made this video now. All that we have to formulate one thing because let us build lie and come out and say this is what Ogechi said. Mark my words. That was what Andy. I have many more to say. Everything I'm saying is nothing but the truth. Jpac put on our wall. Let us call Jpac one day. Let Jpac come and say. Then when you Ogechi, make una bring that to Anomia. There are many I have to say. Make be. Such a papa make her up on her own story. That's in no who came be. When I bet you fake saga material and walk. Oh, we are going to go from little. Make una bring them out. I'm ready for it. Because there are many things I have never said. But I can edge more those who lay. Will it by your ready? No fucking. Nde madu na echu na echoshono. Nke mara nke Ogechi ka poputenu ya. I'm gonna bring them out. Kala.
The musician now went further and said, Okonke makolanke ya wani sanya meremo. You always say the ones people must have said. If anybody brings gossip to my table, I will ask you, you were there when they were saying these things. What did you say? Secretly, you sneaked out and came to tell me what they said. What exactly did you say?
That is the point.
You see, anybody who has made a video, I said today I was going to respond to you. All those bloggers, those ones behind them, who have said one thing or the other, that Jpac said this, Jpac said that, to no evidence. No single evidence. All you say is, Jpac said this, Jpac said that. When he was saying that, all those things to you, what was your own contribution? What was your own input? What lingered to that same stories you are telling us?
Because I got my conking koro. I don't go thinking koro. Lie. Now it's not left for all of two of you. Ebuna mechana no wa mata na enwere such conversation that took place. Now kozi nkemku. That is how it is. I don't know why it's taking you guys time to go and cook up stories. I'm need to like joy Eziokwu. I know that was why you came out here, to say Ogechi Njaka. That one is even from your own mouth. Why don't you want to say it? Odoroginono, Odabriginire, Kempuru. That is all. Kempuru.
I don't know how people fabricate things. I'm not telling you that Jpac is 100% right. And I'm not here to defend him because the times I put on my cameras here to bash on him, many of you don't see it. Many of you will not appreciate those sides.
You don't bash nothing. You are just a snake. You are just a snake. You are just a snake. Tamo form breeze. O wonya amaro karata ge. Tamo memere psychology 101 in school. Agoromoge ka ABCD. It would do pretend to be a friend. That is who you are. You're not even a friend to Jpac. You have any option now than to pretend to stand by Jpac because of one little share or that are waiting. The contact you believe you know, and the contact yet really. Contact when a contact. On a contact. Contact. Contact here, the only contact we find. Every other person in my they are Jew men when it comes to contacts. All of them are Jew, and they talk with my full chase. They don't get contact. Those people are contactless. I'm telling you the truth. You guys are contactless. Go and mark to them. The only contact today we find, and that's Jpac today. Okay, I know time. And when nobody from A to Z I mentioned, the only contact if I know, may he so keep resting in peace. I'm gonna contact you on the road today, and that ends that day. If I know, so every other thing, no, now just go really. We have contact that worthy to be contacted. Believe it or not, go and mark him but get the truth. I'm gonna go rest. You know baga make una go rest. Jerestiano. Una you know maga. Gerestiano, okay, end the pana biko. Onye buru nwanne ogbaloba, onye buru nwanne ogbaloba, onye buru nwanne. Okay, end the like that. Onye ma him na-ekwu ga ka him na-ekwu. I nwere okwa contact. You are contactless. And they talk my own with full chase.
Now, upon your cameras, upon everything, upon your ranting on the internet, Jpac sold some piece of shops in Aba under 3 hours. In my presence, millions of nairas were being paid.
Come on, guys, sit down. There's Rike. What put on those people who the 10 can have the testimony? No testimony. What put on those people? Let me tell you, even if I post that shop here, people will still buy them. Here make free commercials. And I have started it from commercials. They will be commercialing everything for free. Some impact are being impacted in many things. Some impact you were telling those people through those millions of naira. Anybody can post anywhere. Him chokunu name free advertise. Ebola bo hunu na take a guy. Because you know relevant by all means. Because we have a team madu. I can understand on a predicament. Even if you go there, make an audio because please come let me video you because let me video you. You guys will be doing free thing. Upon an thing. So if uno barala from Epudu Karaimone or Unagade Une 2 or 3, are you guys not ashamed of yourselves? I thought you're supposed to come out and say people bought about 10 only 20 just because of me. Go and see B Lord property, the investment up. Go and then check B Lord. Nobody commercial for him. That estate or a charmad must offer or 10 or how many. That is what you call products that selling without no city. I want everybody may pay platform. May we sell it at your own. You don't have to give all this idiot to commercial anything for you. They need to go and get a real job. You take a shower job you make it for free. Don't allow this miscreants like when anything they can offer. They cannot offer shit. Let them go get a better job. Magwagina didn't get bomb here now. Hello, babe. Gene gang barunu. Now the my husband got bomb na. She made her one thing. Let tell her now. He care bro. I mean, I should give this thing. I mega is taking. I'm not tell you. When you got bomb before me make a programmer. That's only take you got much time of us. I'm not tell you.
I want to ask you. It's not that your target is just how to sneak into certain of those contacts and start making them dry, start controlling them.
Relationship with the problem. I don't tell you now. These two idiots call Dako. We want you to leave Ogechi and take us. Ogechi or us. Akwashi Ogechi Omeregege. Because they believe no Ogechi will be a problem that is standing in between them and Dako. Akbaram Gagba. No, let me tell you. And we problem with it. Even how would that Ogechi no here name Pakwanya. She could be very wise. Now these people have nothing to contribute in your life than to make you dry. Ezio, when you're not boy, you're ne ononya and ACC. That is the only problem. A relationship with me, nothing more. That what I'm doing is to go in. Let me tell you, I always said go and write it. Contact now, contact direct. I don't need to call anybody. I'm not bagging the truth. People that I never even believed that they would pick up a call and call me. I never in my life. Joe, I couldn't connect Rihanna yesterday. I could show you. I do, that's what they call me. Akushuge. Ugi makodo na. Now so I do, the person call me and say make an add. As I'm talking to you, I have an appointment with Onyahu by next week. I'll be an office here. So now contact they look for me. It's a grace. Imagine what you guys have damaged me or this blew up. People still love me for me being me. You don't understand. And when you put a bashin or what, you will not put a shit other than Nayanga. The way I don't think I had him or a Purunaya, Naya Puria. I'm also rushing the NGO. And who do you think that will associate with such person? But people that want it, dignitaries, people that matters in the society, who a church card and that who a pollution. They still love me for me being real as a force. Abramuno contact unu contactless. Problem unta uda muna kona denama enwelo any other thing. Now how divert yale Ogechi Njaka nda reach out to her. Why would you reach out to me? Any dream? I don't need you now. Rather some big men here and to use you just for you to zaralaha. To use you, I don't need it. If you get melem. You get meremu today. That's the people that are around me that have been advising me that cannot do for me. You get meremu. Now, if we're getting our support, Jpac name, if it's not ordinary local contact, why are you supporting Aro? Why can't you be man enough to call? Anna, what you did is wrong. Give him labor, Gami labor. He did not see when I condemn me. Gami labor, Gaba favor. Why are you so trickish? Why are you so manipulated bitch in nature? And I keep asking you these questions. Why? No problem. Whatever there is no problem. However you guys want to maneuver it, but the thing is that you guys refuse to. As audio billionaire, as a billionaire. That's on a board as somebody who is a businessman who has traveled to build a brand. Friend that one on told me about I valued him and he's valued me as well. So we gonna deal with it. Ogechi is not supposed to represent you. Ogechi is not supposed to. Ogechi is not bad papa. And when we do ship a pan, Ogechi Ebuka is supposed to come out to debunk Ogechi to make a public announcement. And when pay trick one ship a pattern inside of my lives. Can you problem? Am I interfering on my own lives? I'm not this part in create I got until Una break by me. Anyway, you know, and that I'm ready for now. I'm ready for now to go. Because I'm not about with the shit. Couple within the saga paria. Couple within the saga paria and that parinda. 100,000 and nothing. All of you guys are useless because you don't need the jobless. Why are you guys so pained? Why can't you guys move on? Can you just pained? Bala.
Them. The one you are controlling right now, the Olodo.
I can't control you. Yes, I'm controlling him. Yes, I'm just pain. I'm just Calessian. Yes, man. Yes, for Maggie. You cannot control him and control him. Deal with it. Yes, for Maggie. Epic Maggie. Yakugeba. My love, let me see whether he's available. Let me call him. Let me just call him to tell him how much I love him. Wait. Chere come boy, Ako my love. Chere my boy. Hey, up at the moment he live in church. Let me make him those voice. Chere my boy. Let me call him. Let's see the business now. Come go there. Busy. But let me see what I will get hold of him. Hey. I got my that's for my gay. Ya pepe my gay. Hello, my darling. My sugar. How are you? Yeah, my darling. My sugar. I don't like program. I just want to tell people how much I love you. How are you? I love you, baby boy. I love you. How are you? Can you get illegally? Illegally?
Yes, of course.
When feature when was it Choriri? When any other thing?
I don't know.
You know? Okay, my darling. I just come check your email. Oh, the secret. Oh, all right, there. You want to go here? I go me for Choriri. When you also Choriri, I when men are busy, all the busy. This is when men are busy. They don't have time to come and be gossiping like jobless, useless men like you. They are busy. Oh no. Contracts that worth billions, even millions of dollars. Oh well, of time. Can I go the first to boom? Can I first to boom? Hello, Doc. How are you? Okay, come stand there again. Oga Commander. My first commander. Tell me, my first The first Odogwu Oro. The second Odogwu. That's how it is. What to go? Now, so deal with it, oh. Deal with it, oh. Akwa, my darling. Akwa this love. But this love for Monaya. This love for Monaya. Oh, Gary got love for Chowani and Uruwani. What I go? You know, be only Ako. I bet I shouldn't love for sugar. Bet I shouldn't love for Dr. Fortunate. Bet I shouldn't love for Odogu Male. Bet all who too much or they are many and they are Odogus. My husband, all of them are busy. They don't have time to be looking for. You are just jobless. Hopeless man. That is what you are. The jobless is written all over you. In 100, I'm Jpac hotel. You want to go? Oh, hotel. Yabali monetize like page go. Ki so yari ma 1 naira. Choma hotel e bega na rodo. Nga hino na hotel take up about 20 showers. To see. And then susware. Yafuma go. You see this our love. Where they prepare woman. Where they give you na BP. Yafubunu. Yes. Na me. Omunako. Yafuma pepe, madam, know your problem. Yafuma boogie. Ima him, we're all domabu we go overnight. Because he has come to stay. I'm a friend that supports friends, both financially, both physically, otherwise. I will my friend in a chiribu. Yes, oh him no know with him na chiki pum very close. I'm one about so matane is the bad. You're not contributing anything in my life. I decide to let you be. Jamanu. I gonna go. Nabamji don't here. Obamji like here. When I be your wife, let me tell you, I can know that one year I can know that when I can make here love and I love and make me. She knows me very well. She knows me very, very well. I respect her for being her wife. But it doesn't matter the game on social media. It doesn't matter how this demon operates. You want to go? And I'm married every woman's dream. I'm married every woman's dream. A man who respects me, a man who loves me, a man who is well informed, who is well educated, a man that go to work or also maybe fingerprint in Oboda, a man that worthy and don't associate with useless men. And I'm associated with whom not have for shame. You are one of them. You are jobless. Completely jobless. That's why your life is so bent on other people, how they are doing, what they do, who they associate with. Because only when you make people occupied, you will not be this restless. You are restless. Aku is not noticing you. Aku don't know you. Aku don't know that you exist. The young man has moved on, doing his bit. Look at the. Go and see Aku is the one handling that place. He's the one handling it. Nando Hairana. Billions of naira contracts. I'm not here wiki. You are not among. I'm not here wiki. You are not among the thing in a furugi to your bone marrow. Deal with it. Cry us a river. We don't give a fuck. We don't care. Deal with the pain. Let it be your everlasting pain. He has moved. He's also like all your lodo. Also like when you see him go and challenge him face to face. Okay, shame me. When are you challenging face to face? Because you have rant too much. This blue out. Nothing more. This time, I will write immigration. I'm still waiting for all of you. Jpac, you know, see asking for my work ID, where I work, where I live, where I live, and I am be the only one to give you the real address you're looking for. They are useless. They are saga people. How many years in that? If they couldn't get me, I will get with them today. You are a bastard. All of you guys are useless. And they got people that see Chamanam came 12 to 10, 7 to 8 years. They not getting me. I will see it tomorrow. My drug in Matagodi a place I'm working. What would you do? Can you get me? One narrative matter was in a second, a minute. Yeah, and the agencies in them from my bed. Now, when sharing my valuable time, they call once in a week. Are you available? I'm a traveler. So, okay, what is the can you not talk about each Dala, bunch of idiots, jobless men and women everywhere. Actually, losing in other people's lifestyles. Dala,
the uncontrollable fighter. Who does not know how to manage or run his business, because this is his first time ever running any business or such.
Now, what business do you have to run? You that is educating others, can he with it to offer? Are you not a man like him? Which business are you running yourself? Let others imitate from you. Start it. You will be going to start a ban a yakra. Water. Start it, everything in a business, a hustle and a hustle. All depends on how you package it. Package one hustle. I could not package it on to his own satisfaction. Package your own. Let us learn from you. Leave other people things alone. Dala.
Hence he has been under your control. What has he gained? That some of us don't talk doesn't mean we don't know what to say or do. You know, if we all keep quiet, you think you are making headlines or you're doing well. See, the target is now. If you
with a Kogeneka Kugeni from you than to be wasting money for no reason, a poor woman. What did he gain for you guys? You and Jpac be chopping like useless two men. Go and look for a job. Stop eating from others. Business ya down unishia. Business ya grow unishia. Grow your own. Wait, let's see what you are capable of doing. Are you not a man? But for pure water, let us patronize you. Package it well. Let us patronize you. Ghana, boys every morning. Package here, put to let us patronize you. That is what we want. Everything in a business. And when may I have multi-million naira business? Package one thing. Let us see how you can run your miserable, childish, frustrated life in the name of business. We want you to package. Show me. Akomate buhunage. Nothing else will permit you. Akomate bugi. And akomate must lull you into pain. Deal with it. It has happened. It has happened. Move on. Dala.
Use your mouth on the internet. We'll come out and drag you out again. You will be at the junction ranting. We'll go back inside and be doing the right thing.
I'm here any day, anytime. Any day, anytime. I go to give it to now. Especially you and Jpac. Water. I'm here. Let me stay here. Without me, I 1 year, Papa. That 1 year, Papa. You can never have peace in this route in a chain. Whether you am not the pain is excruciating one. It does not matter more 2 years ago, Metro give back to you. That is one thing you should understand. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Every ball on the part of the world, the microphone, make your back. Until you learn how to mind your fucking miserable life and move on. And I call you.
This is the way it is. We will stress you for 20 years. Me personally, no matter the level.
And the me will give you restless mind for the rest of your life. I want only 20 years. Me personally, Ogechi, we give you restless life for the rest of your life. Mark it one place. They will get tired of me. I will. Am I hearing distraction? Hello, my darling. How are you? Mbamba. Hey, Sabu.
No matter where we are, I will stress you. After making these videos now, I give you my words as a chief controller of your conscience and your madness.
Listen, Ranta, Facebook warrior, Facebook Ranta. Now listen and listen very attentively. Okay, Mbi Barane, listen. Akuzayon nona Bruno as I speak to you now. I think you know that also ishi. Ole, you know how many people are feeding there. Akuzayon na Bruno ga on Facebook na rante. Don't you have men again? Akuzayon na nimo here without no security. Ishila ni uwo kena mushiriki ke escon. Ora umashi. That you are man. No one in teaching. On Facebook to go and show it practically. A woman in America on a shelter. I will not be less and the boon. Naria Kuzayon Kobenia chieftaincy title for bringing development in a befa. I will not be. He had Jack all time because so much woman me. I would even send the boon as an teaching that I'm who appreciate it. They don't even know that you exist. I will not banana Ryokobia with it. Oh, I will put an investment in a bed and go. I will not be. Haven't you had it? You know, into Shiriki. That I'm here. Tag him this ex-convict. Tag his page here because I know I did not block that one through here. Tag the bastard here. Escon, we no pay. Send the bunu are pleading. Na riako. Mwamu biazina no kanya get this title. That ewo puki. Mbana adovi to go to mbidi. That you refuse to know unkobala. Aku udirisi nasura aladia. Aku had this thing for one good year. That Reverend Father. May God bless that Reverend Father. He's one of the most honest Reverend Father I have ever seen. He's one of the most honest to a fault. All the people get me mad to get join a Catholic church. That Reverend Father. That Reverend Kennedy. Oh, the kind of a man that will make you to join Catholic Church by honest to a fault. A man that never beat a man where to a fault. Oh, you can naturally. Go and put an end to what is happening. And we're going to go Ako, the controller of that place. Gashi Hiji Wurumoke. Anyone in teaching. Go and stop that movement. Go and put Kato Trogero Pogi Kolubo. Am I being where you care no all this now useless fellow men who saga men passing with nothing to write on. Connectless men with nothing to write. That's it. He shouldn't a man. Tag that ex-convict here. Tag that page here. Calling him the tag Jpac Moka Fortune. Tag ya. Tag all of them. Israeli man, stop ranting. Take a flight back from that user to Abuja when he with Titi Umbu. Go to your village and show that you are man enough. Ex-convict Governor Onyoshi, I challenge you to go and village no more here. Go and prove that you are a man. Kaji. That tunnel, if it's Facebook gonna rant, I can't shut up. I'm here talking to you. I don't need to reply you. You ya. Oh, you want to on a dash, you got dash. So, Maduna made ya, I got war. Maduna made ya. Oh, always lay down. All the some woman shower that I cannot even hire to be cleaning house. Got some put up on hand wait. No. Maduna made ya. I told the Kagaga war. He has fed you couples of times. So keep crying. You have to be in pain for the rest of your life. Ogechi is the one controlling and so fucking brats. And we know woman rule the world. We know woman control Samson. We keep it to put every can. And we know one rules the world. What keep it to put every power I am able to one. If I control like it's not a first thing. So deal with it. Deal with the pain. Feel it. Go obuogi. But nevertheless, who give a fuck? Who cares? Move on. If friendship is no longer working, move on. Relationship is not do or die, especially these ones you met on Facebook. I believe I come at all through social media. If it's not working, sister to see deal with it. Ya walk on, move on. And when you get with enemy today, get a war friend. When you get with a friend, you turn to enemy. Everybody go. Refuse to go. Move on. No. Stop crying like a little child every day. Quack. Deal with the pain and move on. I'm not keep it go, but use your own brain. But your own and stop continuing nuisance.
Your camera and start ranting in less than 48 hours.
Yes, and don't want again. Yes, and you will keep on crying, and Ogechi will keep on replying to you. Yes, until this world they end here. Yes, Pekin, we say mama no go sleep, no go sleep. Pekin, we say mama no go sleep, no go sleep. Pekin, that is how it is. Yeah, let me tell you, yes. Any day, anytime. Any day, anytime. God, that useless first son, Judge condition, deal with her can be fucked up. That is how it is. Joy your latest condition, yana. I make question. Ya be up working at Jpac. That joy his recent state of condition now. But joy on name. Onye mado kalia physically, kala practical, okay? Until you understand this, that kalia generation, okay? especially in working as a man. Gashiago Nangobala. Own days in Ubenezu Nario Aquarium. Piakamnegi title, Kiji Butrani development. Abrangi that's a avalula than you in that your indigenous place. And the Akoshene Gabia state, but I could come to your place, Mehone, La Ichopashion. Akoshida, you cannot enter the state, ya no puto ye poch. Akwakuchiegi, you will not enter. In around you can't do fucking shit. Move on. Man, life and I know. It's a prowago no more, and we want to program. Deal with the pain. You cannot do anything. And when you feel game, that Facebook in a bono, and don't run on a US, Unikashakolota. Oh, Unegbil in Nigeria 24/7. Up go the moon and Selota. Up on one you. Yeah, this is my new page. This is my new page. Follow it. Yes, I will watch everybody will get to Nigeria. Because Akuna Nigeria, go and dig it with him. For where? For where? No get you there because una get America kudu jigidesiaka. Euro neka lalata. Euro ni selata. Elata. Anakoiri. What you begin on Nigeria? Bana that village should but we women. Men in there now. You mobilize men. But mobilize them. See how your people are worshiping as God. They walk to anything in their presence. You are worthless. All they know you is a ranter. Naga ko boroko. Naga ki hakropa. Fry pan. You will regret. That's it. You will regret by the first day you started fighting Ako. Big boy. What big boy? In a national 20,000 and boss. National 1 naira and boss. Yana foge. Deal with it. Deal with it.
What else can you say? Ex-convicts?
Yeah.
Your target.
I'm not forget where Escon. I couldn't not bomb and pump dinaram. Only not bomb Ogechi Belima. Only not bomb Ogechi and Pagabag. And when you not bomb, do I give a fuck? Why are you crying on your own? Why are you guys crying on your own? Eh? And when I'm not bobemu, Ogechi could have been Pessel. Only I could have wouldn't mammy Pessel. I am car. I get. And when you be on my page, Mono na buy. Why are you crying? Why are you crying now? Are you not a member that they call me names? Scam Lord of Chicago, a criminal, and any bag. Cry me a river, you are an escom. That is who you are. You are an escom.
Some people you tag them in the home they gay. You want respect for your dear late dad. But you have no respect for late Senator Ifeanyi Oba.
Thunder Wogi. Amado Bob Wogi. Ebu Peter picture Ifeanyi Oba. Did I picture Ifeanyi Oba put you on a wall? And did I insult Let Ifeanyi Oba? Did I insult Let Ifeanyi Oba? Putan gam putara po ihe basara Let Ifeanyi Oba. You not brain are who together. You don't even have anything to defend it no. I don't know what. I stated ihe Jpac gbaramu gbana bem parri Ifeanyi Oba gbana bem kuru anything against him. He won't no defense. He don't have no defense. I only state categorically clear what Jpac told me. I never posted any picture. I won't bulaziria di Ifeanyi Oba na pa. Jpac putagwam the particular Ifeanyi Oba that he was referring to. All he told me was Ifeanyi Oba. I never added senator. I never posted any picture. I never brought out anybody. I never said anything. Let's assume Jpac said, let's Professor Timothy or late Timothy Okeke without adding any title, I wouldn't have known who Jpac was referring to. Let's assume Jpac Potter. Timothy Okeke, who talk in America, in America. What you got there? I wouldn't have no, but how would you know it's me? How would you know it's me? He brought that picture. You guys know the ones you guys are referring to. You guys brought that picture. You guys tag it on your page. The person you are referring to, turn down working at that's your useless Jpac. That's your two useless men. Thunder Skatona Abuishi. Look at Indigenous school, they cannot reason. Senator Ifani Oba from Inewi. Millions of people are answering Ifani Oba. Many people Ifani Oba wanna. Did I show any identity that signify? No, what I had is what I spoke. Jpac would then say that particular idiot. You guys are the one that choose on your lulu food that brain. You guys show so Jpac putaze kuya. And the noise ya we henge Jacobo gente. No sa hu ki ke gama kobo gente. No example we have got to work in person on this platform. Okay, get deaf and dumb. And I'll be a king. Let's see. Who the fuck are you referring with the picture? Ya can't man when you get a Jpac baramu. As of today, I'm not the particular person on it. Go and watch my video. And the guy maybe add all this sugar coat to the senator. Newi, if I know about picture. These are all the things I asked you to bring. If you don't prove it, you guys are useless. And you guys are cowards. Manless men, that's what you guys are. Cannot do shaking down to rant. And I call it. So you could see Ogechi. And then Jpac humiliated my father. Whatever with the picture, you see how little your minority brain is. Very poor in reasoning. I want to put it in any debate. You are too poor. Your IQ is very low. You act like a lunatic. You shut a game man. You want a brain. And a query. You
want people to honor the dead. Legend interior. Legend kineka. They should boycott legend interior. As if you can afford one of those chairs. Have you?
Both of you are damaged. I'm not talking about affording it. And anything product or Bisaraka are condemned. You're not supposed to represent any product. Jpac are mocking the disabled ones. Jpac cannot keep secrets. Both of you are useless. You're not sure. It does not matter whether I can afford it or I cannot afford it. That is not the bone of contention here. You are talking out of points. What you're saying got nothing to do with what I'm saying. That everybody should come out of those that volunteer to do it for free should do it for free. Don't you understand that you guys are not competent enough to do it? You two join the group. That is what I meant, and I still stand by it. And as far as I'm concerned, Okoro Emmanuel, shigi with that noise. He got to get evidence until the day Jpac get provide evidence. That is my number one evidence. Very useless as anything can. Among him just describe as convict. You are hopeless. That thing will not come out from my mouth. That is who you are. I did not tell you to honor my dead father. You don't need to honor him. But as far as I'm concerned, ihe ọ na-aga na Jpac mere ka nga ka unu ga na ụta ya n'aka m ana akọ eri unu ụta ya n'aka m.
Recommended anybody to buy. You cannot destroy what you have never built.
And you cannot function. Both of you are not worthy to function. Una both are not worthy. As far as I'm on my social media, I will be talking about it. Young about 20 people to raise, 5 people will end up buying it because I keep saying it. Yes. Believe it or not, and when the people that follow me that would like to buy, but as far as that condemn, they will not buy it. Believe it or not, deal with it. Okay, it's aware. 20 people they interested to buy, 5 people will end up buying. By then, is business moving? Business is not moving, honey. It's not moving. Because there is a little discrepancy on it. On a tag, on a dent. Because when any business person not to anything tag here on hold on name. Why would you give Jpac if pay a lot of our showers at Valentia to be doing it for free? Why can't it remain a free product? Why can't it remain a free commercial? Why would people even buy Jpac capital? 2 useless men. Only can abonike. Only can na ko ebola security brand and them to make it leak. Only can aboma gana roshi. Only can wait. Only can lari. This one na re uma shakanike. 2 best useless friends together. Nothing to write home about in both of you. Go on na page you know you defend. Now this page I did they defend my own. I don't know why my own they bought on. Now here they talk my own. Where no kunu na she so me where kem na she azula. Period. You cannot close my own. No I can give preach maso. Kemi do not buy your hero from 2 useless men. Muakare.
If you keep quiet, I'll put words in your mouth. I'm saying it on camera.
And the man that you utter a word that will not reply you. Yes, I will reduce you to nobody. Because in my way, because at some people who that you're not worthy to run in any office. You were a saga chairman. You are a sagaranta chairman. You are not worthy to run in any office. You don't understand it. To get entry here, you're not gonna run any office and win. Also, like you root to like get package for connection. Also, like you root to like get woody. And I chaga hapu iman win kata chicken. I wish I put for Senate. One phone call will damage you, but one phone call will damage you again. Na chairman. You are finished. Makachi, onwa kamuna gigana koya. Any day you talk to me, I will reply you with a bomb as well. You are nobody. You stink. A man like you that will go impulse begging you put 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, or go and look for job. Get around. Go and look for job.
If you close mouth sometimes, we will go and took Jpac to say one thing. I'm telling you, I know they hide, they tell you.
And I go there to him. I go there to him because I need any dream here. No more banner. I go there to him. Because someone I'm sure going to control that tunnel, that fortune. I go there to him. Oh, wait, I couldn't see a page when I'm going to push him. I go there to him, I couldn't push here. But my page in the life. I go there to him, and when he don't know me. I like it. He get chicken. Look at an imbecile. Look at anything. Quality I will come for now. Jpac to the Jpac to the Gumiri. A man that promise everybody. Now they met us more Shichana Pata. It's to like a Shigamini connection Nina the whole world, the whole United weekend. Cake Bagami, he took out get Abalaga. Come on, get out. Come on, get out. You guys should come and prove me wrong. I will pay you any damage. Power to la Ganile. Only working I can get any damage. Chicken. Doctor will not stand by. Doctor will not stand by. Doctor can let check him in there. He must test to that EK. He must test to that EK. And I call you. Time is shown again.
Do like this. Stop here. Bam. You will leave your work because I know if you are too busy where you are, you will not on camera and start ranting.
And if you have a job, you will not be this restless. Many and I hear rant like you are nothing but a hopeless man. You wouldn't with a job that you are doing that is fetching you money. You're feeding your family. You make something you're supposed to do. Hopeless, jobless men are people like you. And where I call do you think they'll have time for this rubbish? Do you think there and the millions of responsible Igbo men come block all this idiot. I get the fuck out of here. It is hopeless. A ballad fair, you are a hopeless man. Many busy catering for their family, building for future. Many things in their brain. They are too occupied. It is hopeless. Joblessness with your problem. Get a Jpac. Dala, Oji Facebook, Eri. Two idiots.
We are in the city of Abuja.
No.
Without being glue of anything that moves by night. We control you.
Bitch, you are just ranter. People na obodon na gonna control Lugi. Stop ranting. You don't control Shikem. Abuja is meant for everybody. Abuja is anybody can enter Abuja. No hotel or make comment. Make video. You are just a foolish man. You don't control nobody. We are the one that running your shit. We are the one that run your life. That is why your life is so fucked up. We are running you. We are running you, bitch. If you're not running you, why are you always thinking about us? Why are you always thinking about us? We run you. We have caged you. In our ways, we are not caged, Gogi. You will only movement in your life anymore. You wouldn't be here.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment. If you haven't subscribed on this channel, please do well to subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, and turn on the notification button, like, comment. Thank you for watching.